nigobono egochia gokora chinkwana negati ye chinse chesko asekerenga kyogosira abaonchoreria bosobonchoreria nabo Abaremi bekemeri yekawa aya nkorengana nabarai bekiombe gya Kenya National Test of Harvest Competition inse EKIOMBE gya Agriculture and Food Authority AFA hasebono baenekirie Abaremi mbachia Konyora ECHIIRO ase chinse chesko elio kwegenderia murikito nyambane agotumanya senchera yobwikera.
And most of the cooperatives and farmers who have done very well will remain on the international scale to get their best prices for their coffee for the rest of the year.
Abaremi bekemeria gikawa banyorira Omoeso magega yense ya Kenya gochigokora chinkwana na bonchoreri bekemeria kyokorwa chinse cha America, China amona Japan asekerenga kyogochegusira obonchoreri obu.
And from this national competition we are going to the regional competition that will be happening in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia from 4th to 6th of February. And the best farmers and companies who were awarded today will be proceeding to compete in the regional, that's Africa. Those farmers who will emerge the best from that competition, their coffees will go to our AFA website, and they shall have an online auction where our farmers will be given the best premium prices for their coffees.
We have a commitment as a country to increase our production from the current 50,000 metric tons to 150,000 metric tons. What we are saying is that we want to assure the farmers that there is market for coffee. If you look at the global trends, the production is actually globally quality coffee is decreasing, whereas consumption is increasing. So the assurance we want to tell Kenyans and the farmers is the government is committed to make sure that there's market for their coffee, so we go back to farming.
Gukwana imeyomucho Nairobi kurwa ase nyumba yemesangrekano ya KICC na baraiba Kenya National Test of Harvest Competition inze EKIOMBE gya Agriculture and Food Authority asebaragwa no bisomo nene otenenerete amangana yekawa Felix Muturi ni goba tebiribuna egetambokerekyo ni kerengete gukinya obonchoreria egati yense ya Kenya ne chinse chesko.
What I would say is that we have 4 categories of markets in Kenya. We have what we call the domestic market, whereby we are promoting domestic coffee consumption so that we can cushion farmers from just any kind of challenge that may come in the coming days. We have what we call the traditional markets, that is Europe and the regional countries there. We have what we call specialty market, like now what we've been doing today here. We are targeting specialty markets like America and Japan. And we have what we call the regional now, Africa region market. So what we are saying is that with the current news of extension of AGOA, it means more market for a value-added coffee. Like you've seen, our government is so much committed to value addition and increasing the visibility of Kenyan coffee and creating jobs for our youth. What I can say is that there's more confidence now that we can do value addition and have our market.
Nonye nabo ni gobono barugo segeta gochia asa Abaremi kobwatera oboremi bwekawa koboko erigo kinya amabaga yemeremo imeyense.
This is a collaborated effort, and especially led by the Ministry of Agriculture, that we increase production and productivity, and especially quality of coffee, so that we can be able to, access market. And the conversation we have right now is to be more market-based, because market will be able to draw the product.
Goripoteria en Soko TV, editariane Linet Nyambane.
Toska